Hello, viewers! In this video, we'll create a cool image slide animation in the Animos app. Let's get started. Search for Animos on Google. Then click the first link. Then sign in with your Google account or create a new account. This is the Animos interface. You'll find animation slide presets here. Go to the right panel and select your frame ratio. I'm choosing the 16:9 desktop ratio. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the number of image slots. Open slot 1 and add your first image. Open slot 2 and add your second image. Repeat the same process for the remaining slots. I'm adding 12 images for this tutorial.
Scroll down to the timing section. Choose the loop duration, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, or 20 seconds. You can also enter a custom duration. Go to the Showcase Stream section. Change the background color. Customize the animation and effects. Adjust the padding, the space between images. Use corner radius to round the image corners. Use ring tilt to change the slider angle. Use ring opening to adjust the top view of the slider. Use ring size to make the slider larger or smaller. Adjust card size to change the image size. Use backfade to increase or reduce the shadow and darkness. Adjust the perspective angle to change the camera view.
Use card ratio to change the card size and aspect ratio. Then open the shadow settings to adjust the shadow angle, softness, opacity, color, and spread. Go to Reset Settings to restore all settings to their default values. We've reset everything, and the slider is back to its default layout. Now, let's adjust the settings again. Once everything is set, click Export. Click Export Video. Choose your preferred file format, then select the resolution, 720p, HD, 2K, or 4K. Set the frame rate to 30 FPS or 60 FPS for smoother playback. Use the loop option to choose 1x or 2x. Selecting 2x will double the video duration. Finally, click Export to start rendering. The rendering process may take a few moments, and your video will be exported automatically once it's complete. Here's our final output video. You can also explore the other presets. Select any preset to open its settings, then customize it to your preference. Each slider preset includes its own unique controls and customization options, so feel free to experiment and create different animation styles. You'll find many more presets here. Feel free to explore them. Each one offers unique, beautiful, and eye-catching animation effects. That's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.